How to connect TapSwap to OKX Wallet. If you want to connect the TapSwap game to your OKX Wallet, it is quite simple to do so. Once you launch the TapSwap game, you will be able to see this type of interface right over here. Then what you have to do from here is on the very top right hand side, you'll find an option that says Connect Wallet. You can just click on the Connect Wallet option right there. And once you've done that, here you'll see this option called View All Wallets on the bottom right. So you want to go to the View All Wallet option. And one of the options over there is called OKX Wallet. So depending upon which one you want to connect, you want to click on the OKX Wallet option right there. And once done, making sure that the OKX Wallet website loads up, you'll be able to connect them successfully. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then connect OKX Wallet to TapSwap. I hope that this video really very helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.